Hello, welcome to Cook and Beauty. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do pedicure in your home at the comfort of your home without going to salon. And I just want to show you how from now on, how you can be saving your money. How you can be saving your money for other things. Pedicure is easy, it's not hard. You just have to know the little things you need to do it, and you just have to know the technique, you just have to watch. If you watch this video, I promise, if you watch this video once or twice, you will understand how to do it, and you will see that it's not hard. And secondly, the basic tools you need, you can get some at home. They are not hard to find, or you can just get them online. Just stay tuned. And first, please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and remember to like and share the video, because it's something other people might need, you understand, so that they will see and also watch. Thank you. And for those who have subscribed, and for those who watch my video, who are always commenting, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I don't take those things for granted. Thank you. So let's go straight to the point. First, my hand just be the bowl. Yes, they have pedicure bowl. But in the absence of that, you might decide you can buy, because they have automatic where you just put the water, you set it. Yes, but if you don't want to buy, there is no problem. This one will still do the work perfectly. So you just get a bowl you use for washing clothes or for bathing. It's your leg after all. So you just get the bowl, it's settled. So another thing you need is soap. Like I said, some of those things you can get them at home. You don't even need to buy. Like every home have liquid soap, right? So there is no difference between this one and liquid soap. It's just the flavor, it's just the color. So this is a liquid soap. But one thing is the bowl you need for the pedicure to soak, that you will use to soak your leg. And the second thing you need is soap. So this is soap. The third thing you need is sea salt. The sea salt, yes, to exfoliate. It helps to exfoliate the leg. Sea salt is also not hard to get, so you can also get it. It's not also expensive, it's cheap. So sea salt is also good. It's good to add it to your water. It will help to exfoliate your leg very fast, and it will be very nice. Another thing I don't like to overlook, that I don't like to remove, is the antiseptic. It's very necessary, you understand. So antiseptic it helps to keep germs and bacteria in the water. Your leg is dirty, so as you are scraping that leg, you will see those things you are seeing. You can't tell me there are no bacteria in it. So you have to put antiseptic, especially when you are doing it for somebody, so that you don't contact germs. Some people use gloves. First thing I put in that water is antiseptic. It's necessary to prevent germs for the person who you are doing pedicure for, and for you who is doing the pedicure for the person. Another thing is we need for the pedicure is the scrub. Yes, we use the scrub. It also helps to exfoliate the leg. But this scrub is not the same scrub. It's not the scrub you use for. It's not body scrub. This one is foot scrub, so you also have to get it. It's called foot scrub. They have different names. This one is one other brand, whether it's this simple. So they have different brands. Scrub is different from the normal body scrub, because this one is a bit harsh. It's harsher than the body scrub, so it will work better than the body scrub. The leg is hard, you understand, so you need something that is also hard, something that is tough, to break that old skin you get. Another thing we need is the food cream. So this one is the pedicure cream. It helps to also exfoliate the leg. We apply it when we are doing the pedicure. We apply it when you get to an extent so it will help to exfoliate it and it breaks the dead cells, so that when you are scraping them, it will remove easily. So those are some of the things you need. Another thing you need, these are the main tools. And this one helps to remove dead cells, you understand. It's called the food scrubber. So they have other plenty names for it, but this is the easiest name if you go to this to where you are buying. So if you just say food scrubber, the person will easily understand. Even those roadside people will know that it's called food scrubber. So it is very necessary, but you have to be very careful when you are using it because it's sharp. You see, this is the first thing you use after using razor blade to scrape the excess. So you use this one to, this is the second thing you will use after using razor blade. So this one will also remove large amount of the excess, the ones that razor blades cannot remove. No, as you're using razor blade, you have to be careful. There's a way, there's an extent you would go that you will not need to continue. You won't need to go deeper to the person's skin. Even when you are seeing them, you just have to leave those, and then you use this. Even though you are seeing some dead cells, is obvious, but you can say that okay, is not getting too close to the person's skin. So when you if you decide to use if you use razor blade for it to remove the dead cells, it might injure the person. So what you do, you just leave it, then use this one to remove it. You understand? So this one is very necessary too when you are doing pedicure, but you just have to be careful. It's very sharp. It's very sharp. For some people who have soft skin, you have to be careful. If not, the person, it will just injure the person. So another one is this is also a food scrubber, but the soft one. So most time we even call it food. You understand? It's very soft. It's not as hard as this one. You can see this one, it's even obvious that this is sharp. This one I even call it grater sometimes because this one can grate carrots to pieces. You understand? So this one is soft. This one is soft. Is when you finish using this one, hmm, you use this one to smoothen the skin. You can also call it a smoother, but it's normally called food fi. If you want to get it in the market, call it food fi. They will understand. This food scrubber, once when you use this for the leg, when you use it to remove the remaining dead cells that the razor blade can remove, the it will look rough. The leg will look kind of rough. It will not be uniform. So that is when this one comes in. So you use this one to smoothen the leg very well, and everything will be uniform and fine. But already the full scrubber has removed almost all the dead cells. This one will just smoothen the leg so that it will not look rough. You get? So it's also, this one is called the foot fi. If you want to get it, remember. So another thing we need, what you need is nail cuticle remover. So this is also necessary to remove cuticle. You can't use normal razor blade because it will cut the person's skin. So this one does the job perfectly. So it's called nail cuticle remover. If you want to, you get it, just say nail cuticle remover, you will get, they will give it to you. So another important tool you need for pedicure is your callus corn remover. They normally sell it with the blade for the first time. So the second time you are buying, if you tell them you have it, they will give you, then you will start buying the razor blade only. But the real name is callus corn dead cell remover. So that's the name. If you want to buy it online, that's what you will see online. Callus corn dead cell remover. So that's what you will see online. But if you already have this, eventually you have it, just get the razor blade. But the razor blade for this, mind you, is different from the normal razor blade we use. This one is small. You can see, this is the sample. This is small because you have to fit the shape of this, so it's different. So you have to make sure you are getting this razor blade for it. So that's all. Those are the things you need for the pedicure. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, like I said before, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and please like and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So that's all for now. See you in my next video. Bye bye.